Alright, what's up YouTube? RCSMC Vet here. Hey guys and gals, I'm doing a video today on a CS-310 chainsaw by Echo. The chainsaw is actually a 87G1. So anyways, I loaned this out and brought it back, and the bulb was busted. Oh, hello, kitty. Hi. So whenever I took this out, this hose came out of way down in there, and so I replaced it with this new gas line, and down there in that hole. So that was the hardest part, because I tried everything from needle nose tweezers, long nose pliers, and nothing would get it to actually go in there. So without taking the carburetor off and messing up the gaskets, I decided to concoct a way to figure it out, because I didn't want to take it all apart, because I don't have the gaskets. Hello kitty, how are you doing today? There you go. Here, get your 2 seconds of spotlight. So I bought the repair kit from Zon because it's the only place I could find it, and it comes with 4 new fuel bulbs and 2 fuel lines, and these are the snap-in ones. So anyways, I pulled this out for correct purposes. This thing is on here. This wire is on here that locks it into place. Kitty, watch out. Never can do a video outside without a cat. So anyways, that metal ring locks that on, and then of course the top cover goes on. You pop these off, one on each side. Remove that wire like I showed you earlier. Pop that out, and then you have access to all this. But if you take the carburetor off, you need new gaskets. So I didn't want to do that, and I had new fuel line, and I pulled that other one out on accident from the fuel tank because it was stuck right here, and I twisted it with a pair of pliers, or needle nose pliers, and it didn't come off. So anyways, busted fuel bulb. We'll start. You are just bound determined to be up in here, aren't you? And now the dogs are coming. So anyways, I cut the fuel line to length, and then I found a piece of copper wire that was the same inside diameter, and then I used it to push, and the reason tape's there is to push the hose so you don't have to push it by hand, but it also gives me the depth of what I'm trying to get in there. Anyways, so use this to insert it so that we could get it in there, because I couldn't get it in there with any other thing. I tried, like I said, needle nose pliers, needle nose tweezers, and everything. So if you don't want to take it apart, that's the best way to do it. Okay, here you go. There you go. Get your 5 minutes of fame. There you go. Is that which one? Is that which one? Oh yeah. Yep. This is actually a garage cat. She's a rescue. The people that had her in town, and she refused to stay inside. So every time they opened the door, she would run outside, and they was afraid she was going to get hit. So they took her to the pound, and well, the cat shelter. And the cat shelter called us up and said, "Hey, do you want a barn cat? She's docile." They did not say she was very needy, but only on her terms. Say hi. Hey. So anyways, back to this. So in this kit from the Zon, the Amazon, I'll try to provide a link to it below in the description box. Okay, here, say hi. Say hi. I'm sure Patriot and the Dark's daughter would love to see you. Alright, so anyways, back to what I was saying. Without having to take all this stuff apart, That's the easiest way to do it. And then you have to route this new line underneath here and then out the hole here on the side where these plastic insert bulbs go in. So this little short, the line is still in there, goes to the short side. Would you stop? Killing me, McFly, killing me. Killing me, Smalls. So the short one goes, now you didn't mess me up, kitty. The long stem, which is the longer one, why won't you focus? So the long stem goes to this new fuel line that I didn't put in there, which has to be routed underneath there with that one. See this black line right here? That runs out the hole, and that goes to the short side of the tube, the primer bulb. And then this new one, this one here, goes down and under and out that hole as well, and plugs into the long side of the primer bulb. It's Animal Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. So anyways, if you guys and gals have any questions, comments about this, let me know, and I will try to provide some more explanation. I'm going to go ahead and clean all this up before I put it back together, as well as check the spark plug so that it'll run like it's new. So yeah, find the inside diameter, a wire that'll fit inside the inside diameter. One more time here. Make sure, put the tape to the depth that will help push it through and the wire doesn't poke out the bottom. And then it should go in fairly easy. Mine did. So I'll let you know if it works whenever I get this cat to leave me alone for a second. And we'll put it all back together. Alright, well, thanks for watching. This is Irish USMC Fed. Thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, moans, complaints, leave them in the comment section below. Say bye, kitty. Say bye, kitty. Alright. Semper Fi, Godspeed. Have a great day.